In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in ClickUp. We'll walk through how to quickly set up a KPI tracker using ClickUp's built-in templates, so you can measure performance without having to build everything from scratch. First, make sure you're in the right place inside your workspace. Open the space or folder where you want to track your KPIs and switch to the list view. This is important because the template we're going to use is designed to work best in a list format. If you're not already in list view, look for the view options at the top of your screen and select list. Next, in that list view, look for the small plus icon in the area where you want to add your KPI tracking. This plus button is what you use to create a new list. Go ahead and click it. This tells ClickUp that you're about to set up a new structure for your tasks or data. When the creation window opens, instead of building something manually, click on the templates option. Templates are a huge time saver because they come pre-configured with fields, statuses, and layouts that are already thought through for specific use cases. Inside the templates section, use the search bar and type in KPI. This will filter the available templates and show you all the KPI-related options ClickUp provides. Take a moment to scan through the results and find a KPI tracker that fits the type of metrics you want to monitor, whether that's for marketing, sales, projects, or general goals. Once you've found the KPI tracker you like, click on it to open its details. Here you can usually see a short description of what the template includes, like custom fields, views, and example tasks. When you're happy with your choice, click on Use Template. You'll now be prompted to give your new list a name. Type in something clear and descriptive, like KPI tracking, or a name that matches your team or project. A clear name will make it easier to find and share with your teammates later. After naming your list, click Use Template again to confirm. The system will take a few seconds to load everything, so give it about 10 seconds to generate the new list with all its fields and views. When it's done, you'll be taken to a summary view. Think of this as a built-in guide that explains how the KPI tracker works, what each column or field means, and how you can start entering your own data. Take a minute to read through this overview so you understand the structure. From here, you can explore the other views and windows that came with the template. Click through them to see different ways your KPIs can be displayed, like tables, dashboards, or timelines. Feel free to customize fields, statuses, and views to match how your team works. And if you realize this template isn't quite right, you can always repeat the process and choose a different KPI template until you find the perfect fit for your tracking needs.